Brother, hey, brother, here. 961 Norcom, I need a 55 now.
What's your current 20?
961 Norcom, I'm on the frontage road. I don't know the exact mile marker, but it's directly right off the frontage road to 311.
You're on mile marker 20 on frontage road.
There's one to the neck, dude, and the one right to the head.
Keep fighting. Come on, here.
You're rolling the 55 in.
They're right here, dude, come on.
You got this, buddy.
I got his head. Let's go, brother.
Give up, dude. Let's go.
You're gonna be okay, brother. We love you, dude. You'll be okay.